There is a nightmare that should scare every single one of us. It is not failure. It is not rejection. It is not being broke. The real nightmare is waking up in your 60s, your 70s, your 80s, or laying on your deathbed and realizing you lived your entire life saying, I should have, I should have tried, I should have invested, and I should have stayed consistent. I should have made that relationship work. I should have believed in myself. That is the nightmare.
Yes.
And that is the nightmare you must avoid at all costs. Because regret is heavier than failure. Regret is heavier than pain. Regret is heavier than rejection. This right now is your moment to decide. Will you keep living the life you have been living? Or will you finally unlock the greatest version of yourself?
Yes.
There are things you were called to do that and you have never done. And there are things you were called to do that one on this earth has ever done before. Some of you have journals full of dreams, pages full of ideas, visions written years ago, and no action. And enough. Get to work. Make this year the first year of the best years of your life. Say it out loud. This is my year. This is not the year you play around with your life. This is not the year you wait for destiny to find you. You hunt everything that belongs to you. And because life is not just a game of attraction. It is a game of hunting. It is a game of evolution. It is a game of becoming. This must be the year you stop being defined by your history and start fulfilling your destiny. If you want this year to look different, everything you do has to change. You have been walking around as a knockoff version of yourself. That is not the real you. The real you is breathing down your neck, begging you to show up, begging you to manifest it. It is your turn. It is your time. You have waited long enough. You have. The strategy. You have done the homework. You have the belief. Now put it. Stop being afraid of rejection. Stop being afraid of failure. Give it everything you have. Life has tried to amputate your spirit, but you are still here. And because you are still here, you are not done. Now listen closely. Stop blaming everybody else. Stop pointing fingers. Look in the mirror. If you failed it, is because you did not work. I tried last year and it did not work. No, you did not work. So ask yourself the real question. Am I going to repeat my history, or am I going to blaze a new trail? This is the year you stop making excuses. This is the year you stop complaining about and the past. This is the year you give everything you have. You have got to get hungry and win. You watch people win. You watch underdogs rise. You watch success stories unfold. And you keep asking, when is it going to be my time? If you want to be next, you have to live differently. You eat differently. You think differently. You talk differently. You walk differently. This is not a moment. And this is a lifestyle shift. When you shift your paradigm, your reality will follow. And take your time, take your talent, take your resources, and execute. Because when you decide that no matter how you feel, you will show up every day and give your best, the world opens up. Make this your new code of conduct. And dedication, discipline, perspective, preparation. Because doubt is coming, fear is coming, insecurity, adversity is coming. Ready or not, it is coming. Are you prepared? Let me remind you of something you keep forgetting. You have a brilliant future. Stop. I'm devaluing your past wins.
Yes.
You have been through trauma. Yes, you have failed. Yes, you have been broken. But you survived. Life hit you as hard as it could, and you are still alive. That counts. If you remember anything from your past, remember how you overcame. Stop weaponizing your past against yourself. Your pain was not meant to destroy you. It was meant to train you. Trade self-limitation. And for absolute breakthrough, when doubt shows up, pull out your resume. Remember everything you survived, everything you endured, everything that did not kill you, your parents' struggles, your own battles, the moments you almost gave up. You are still here.
That is
not an accident. God put you here for a reason. Get to work. The world it is waiting on you. Your family is depending on you. Say this with me and mean it. My spirit is renewed. My mind is free. I am not defined. By my past, I learned from it. I am building my future. I am pursuing my destiny. I am somebody. I am enough. I am becoming stronger. Opportunity is everywhere. This moment is for people who are done settling, done with just enough, done and with ordinary. If you have been called for more, go get more. Drop out of the mentality that you are not enough. Your insecurity has been in thee way too long. Your fear has been in the way too long. Your jealousy has been in the way too long. Get out of the way. History shows us something very clear-eyed. The people who changed the world were the ones who got and out of their own way. You are inches away from the best life you have ever lived. So why are you waiting? Stop blaming people who walked away. Stop blaming people who overlooked you. Stop blaming people who did not believe.
You are.
That is not condemnation. That is empowerment. Because once you accept responsibility, you gain control. Go find a mirror. Say it out loud. This is my year. You must be willing to do what 98% of people will not. Differently, think differently, live differently. Motivation will fade. Discipline must replace it.
You do.
Not win years, you win days. Win the day, then the week, then the month, then the year. I had to go crawl and share. And one day you will look up and realize you are no longer watching success.
You became it.
Aim it. This is your moment.
Yeah.
You have waited long. Enough. If you can hear my voice, comment it, say it, declare it.
Yeah.
I am all in. I am all in. I am all in.
Yeah.
This is the year you give everything you have. Are you all in?
Yeah.
Drop it in the comments.
Yeah.
I am all in.